Ariana, how are you?
Hello.
You get started, okay?
Okay.
Shani, how are you?
Good.
You get started, okay? I'll come with you later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Liana, you continue, okay? I do like this one, you don't need me. Shani, your turn. Okay, this one you can directly return these things. Okay, if you don't return these things, you want to create a new array, you don't need to do this. This one you just do this, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, continue. Diana, your turn, Diana. Diana, you have any question?
No.
So you started the second half, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Continue, okay? I wish you can finish the whole thing before the end of the month. And next month we will start the project.
I finished the 2019 one, but not this one.
You finished the 2019?
Yeah, like the 2019 to 2020
Yeah.
section.
Okay. So this one you are working on is what?
Like the
2026?
2026.
Oh, okay. So you go to your 2019 and 20. Let me look at it. Go to your 19 and 20. Let me see. Go to Unit 5. Go to its Unit 5. So you done with all of these?
Yeah.
Go down. Continue to go down. How about this? Have you worked on this 17? This one?
Yeah, but it's like not letting me do the assessment.
You don't need an assessment. Okay.
Okay.
If you are done with that, that's okay. That's actually means you are done already. Okay, you are done with your artists that are needed for the project. So what we will do is that, okay, you continue to do whatever you are doing right now. Go back to your 26 one. And then next time I'll start to work with you for the project. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. But this one you continue to study the units. Okay, good job. Okay, you continue. Okay, this one I think you don't need me. I'll be back. Next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. New integer, you want to have a array, directly have array element, you actually new integer, break it, curly brace, curly brace.
Mm.
First one and last one. No. No, it's not two, because some of them are 3 or 4 elements.
Oh,
Yeah, go. One more problem, this one is easy. Okay. Next one, let me have Liana. Liana, your turn. So this one is a black and white bitmap. So black and white means 1 is white, 0 is black. And you modify the digit, you will change color. Give you the idea of what is a black and white image. You may want to do 9 by 9 or 10 by 10 or 15 by 15. Yeah. Put in your 0 and 1s. Okay, you continue. Okay, this one I think you just try to do as close as possible, but you cannot do it exactly because this one they have the curve. Okay, you cannot be exact. Just try your best. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back. Next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. No. You think about the logic. This doesn't work. This one is say that does not contain the 2 or 3. So A0 equals 2 or 3, both are not okay. A1 equals 2 or 3, both are not okay. So it's A0 not equals 2 and A0 not equals 3 and A0 not equals A1 not equals 2 and A1 not equals 3. You cannot do this way. You cannot use OR. You need to merge the whole thing here. You have to merge it to one if. Everything is ended together. One moment. This one, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3. This divided by 2 equals 0. This divided by 2 equals 1. So this divided by 2 not equals 1 means that it's not 1, not 2, and not 3.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Then this is shorter. Okay, one more problem. This one is easy. Okay, good job. Next one, let me have Liana, you turn. Liana, you have any questions so far? Liana, this is very
No.
hard to debug. This is very hard to debug. So every 10 digit, you need to change line. Every 10 digit, you need to change. This is okay, but this is very hard to debug. So it drop down. Okay, another one. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the same layout as this. That would be more easier to debug. Right?
Yeah.
And the end of this is okay, it's good, okay? You continue to work on these different lessons for the whole course. And you will review the AP CSP once, okay? So that part is good. So keep doing this when you have time. This will also help your school work, okay? So you actually keep doing this. But at the same time, this weekend, you also need to submit the parents book quiz to chapter 2 quiz. And we have the photocopy on our internet, the Moodle classroom. We have the chapter 2 quiz. Is that okay? I think it's in lesson 2, something like that, okay?
Yeah.
Download that one and then you answer the question, put them into a text file, and then put into the numbers like A, B, C, B, A, every 5 of them. One group, and then 10 change line, okay? And then if you pick 2, you use a bracket AB, okay?
Okay.
And submit it to me, I'll grade it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just that is also really important. Making sure that you understand the chapter. So right now you're reviewing this chapter, that's great. Okay, that's actually good. Okay, then now what's sampling?
Like taking a part of the image.
Yeah. So let's assume that here we have a tree and there's a person, right? And you use a digital camera right here, you take a picture. And you take a picture, so you actually framing it, you actually take a picture of these. And that's sampling, this is called sampling because you got a picture of 255, 45, 75, something like that. That's called sampling. Or you have you talk. So you have audio like this. And you do digital sampling, you sample your audio to see how loudly it is, but you digitize it, this is called sampling, okay? Sampling is taking data, taking raw data is called sampling. To get a good image, larger picture size is better because you have more pixels, so you will be more accurate. But larger picture size would be too big sometimes. So you are trading off the size with the quality of the image, okay? That's what this one should be. Okay, I'll be back. Next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. This one here is less than 2, you return false. 0 or 1, both are not okay because you want it to be 2 choice or 3 choice. You have only one element, you cannot be 2 or 3 choice. So after that, you will only have one last option left. That is the length is 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. One moment. This one, the first line, oh, go back. Okay. This one, first line, okay. Second line, third line, okay, but it actually a little bit too long. So you down to only 2 elements, it can be 2, 2 or 3, 3. So you will return nums 0 divided by 2 equals 1, and nums 0 equals nums 1. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Same idea, a number that divided by 2 equals 1 means this number is 2 or 3 because you have integer division, okay?
Yeah.
Keep that in mind. One more problem, this one okay. You got 2, 3, or maybe 2, 3. In these two cases, you need to multiply.
Mm-hmm.
And then, okay, good job. Let me go back to Rihanna. Rihanna, your turn. So this one is color image. No, what are you doing? Why you pick a binary? Why don't you use a hexadecimal? So this one, so here you actually have 3 pixel color, right? So let's actually remove everything first. So let's assume that your first pixel is FF. No, let's actually do 10 by 10. And bits per pixel is, let's assume it's actually 8 bit. Let's see. Pixel format is FF. Let's do 24 bit. So as you can see here, if you change to 8 bit, it's black and white only. Let's use the 8 bit then. Use 8 bit, then let's do. Wait, how come he would change this one? I don't want to change the image size. How comes the change keep changing the size of the pixel? Okay, so this one I think is 0A, 0A, 1B. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this is 0, 0, 0, 0. This one is a prep, right? And this one AABB, this one should be this one. I'm not sure what the first one it doesn't take. I'm not sure why the first one doesn't take. Let me delete the first one. Let me see. Oh, it go away. A bit. So this one does assume this actually A bit. If A bit is actually 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 of them. So this is 3 actually not used for the. Oh, this is 3 actually the size pixel. Okay, so this 3 actually is 10, 10. Okay, I'm sorry, I get it now. So these 3 number you cannot change. These 3 are the images width, height, and pixels. Okay?
Okay.
And then your color is right here. So let's assume that we keep 10, 10, and then this one let's have the 24. So this one change it to 1, 8. 1, 8 is 24, okay? And you put your image right here. So you have one more pixel, B, B, C, C, A, A. So these three numbers are this one for this one for this one for this. Is that okay? And,
Yeah.
and the color format is right here. It's 24-bit format. It's 8-bit red, 8-bit green, 8-bit blue. Okay? But if you don't like this color, you want to be black and white only, then you change this one to 8. Then that would be black and white only. Okay?
Okay.
You can also change the binary to do experiment. Okay? This one just, but remember the first three numbers are the hexadecimal number for these three numbers. Okay? Don't change them. That's why I keep getting trouble. Okay, you continue, okay? Have fun trying to understand it. Next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. Return 0, you have nothing.
But like, what if one of the like the other array has 1, but one of them is empty?
Here your problem right here is actually have any length, right? Any length. This one you cannot check any length. So what you want to do is that this won't work. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Delete it.
Yes, sir.
Let me type it again. Yeah. Can you delete everything?
No.
Can you delete anything inside?
Uh,
You need to use for loop on this case.
okay.
The question is that you need to return how many has 1. So you need to do this. You need to do. Let me do it. Okay. Number 1, you need to have a counter. Okay, you actually look at if there's a number that's 1, then you will increase the counter by 1 and then finish. Then you no longer increase, okay? So any of the number in A, if it is equals 1, then C will increase. And you will look
Okay.
at B then. You will not look at the next number if this. You are counting how many number of the array that has, wait, which part it equals star. Missing curly brace.
I think it's the first for loop.
Yeah, second for loop also missing something. Second for loop, I missed the if. Writing too fast.
Isn't it supposed to be B of I?
Yeah, they were typo. BI. Okay.
Okay.
This one is checking if there's any, you found it, you actually increase by 1, okay?
Okay.
You can use this or you can use a Boolean variable, means have A then equals true, and then if have A that increase by 1, okay? Something like that. But that's actually taking more effort.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, next one let me have Diana, your turn. Diana, are you okay now?
I'm not to make it so that it's like pink.
How come here is 9 bit? Usually it's either 8 or 24. So now you are 24 bits, so every 6 numbers, that's 1 pixel. Okay, every 6 number, that's 1 pixel. So either way to do it is like this. Let me try to help you. The easier way to do it is like this. Since you want to do the picture for the whole thing, so let's do F. Okay, and then copy this one for 10 times. Okay, and then you copy this one vertically for 10 times as well. So you will have a Y image. Oh. Then you multiply this Y image pixel by pixel. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you would take a long time for you to build the whole image. Okay, now I give you the whole white image. Now you can change color on each pixel. So each six of the digits is this is 1 pixel. Change any pixel for color now to test it out. Change any of the pixel. Yeah, change it. Don't change it. Yeah, you can type whatever you want. You don't need to be FF. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Continue, okay? Do until you really understand everything, then that's it. Okay, you can change it to the next lesson. Next one, let me have Shani. Shani, your turn. Shani, you took APCSP already or not? Not yet.
Yeah.
You took it already?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. I just asked. Okay, good. One more. I try not to interrupt you. Okay, you do what on your until you have trouble.
Okay.
If you can do it by yourself, I usually don't interrupt. Okay, and if you have trouble or you are slow or you don't get it, I will try to help.
Okay.
But the bottom line is that you need to struggle by yourself first. And struggle is good.
Okay.
Now, this one you have to calculate. This one you have to calculate. You cannot just do this. This is wrong. You have even number of the data. So that's the one is 6. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, so the length is this number n, but index 6, there's no data. Okay, so this one is n. So when you do n divided by 2, you got 3. 3 is this one. 3 is the middle of the right. Middle right. You want to do this. So it actually is nums n divided by 2 minus 1 and the nums n divided by 2. This is this one and this one. Minus 1 is the left one. Divided by 2, 1 is the right one. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You have to calculate. You cannot just put something in there. It's wrong. But always remember when there's an even number of the element, n divided by 2 will give you the middle of the right. So let's assume look at another case. Let's assume that you actually look at a case that you have 5 elements. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then your n is 5. N divided by 2 is 2. So n divided by 2 for the odd number is in the central even. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Central middle. And then if you are even number, n divided by 2 would be even middle number on the right. Okay? And if you want to have the middle number on the left, you have to use n divided by 2 minus 1. Okay, this number instead you have to remember. Okay. Okay. Let me go back to Liana. Liana, your turn. Yeah, you have any question?
Um,
You are trading off the quality of the image with the size of the image, okay? So sometimes you use a compressed data and then you lose the quality, but you will get a better, smaller file, okay? Okay, you
Okay.
continue. We have 4 more minutes to go. Shani, your turn. It doesn't matter. The first one will swap with the last one is the same one. So the first line is not needed. The first line is not needed if it's not needed.
Oh.
Because you swap the same data is the same.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. So you do not need to waste one line of code to do that. Go. Okay. Okay, you need to calculate. This is R number. R number, middle one is n divided by 2. And you want the one before it and after it as well. Okay, you go ahead.
Okay.
So you see this level 1 problem will build up your basic understanding of array, indexing, and everything else, okay? That's the part you learn in this level 1. So you need to finish the level 2 before you can take the exam. Okay?
Mhm.
This one I would do this, okay? This one since you are going to use the middle number for many times, okay, since you are going to use the middle number many times, so I will do integer m equals non-balance divided by 2. So right here, you do not need to do this so many times. You just since you are going to use it many times, you don't repeat it. Number one, repeat you may easy to cause trouble. Also, it's wordy.
Mm.
Hmm?
I think you got rid of the notes.
I too fast. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, go back to the end. Last round, okay? Last round. Liana, you have any questions so far?
Um,
No? So you keep doing this, okay, until you catch up your school, okay? Do you have a midterm or something coming?
no, we only have finals, not midterm.
Oh, okay. So far you have confidence on this course or not?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay, you continue, okay? Next one, let me have Shannon your turn. Last round, okay? Okay, you have an array, you look at this one, this one, this one, and find the maximum one. No, it's only the first one, last one, the middle one. You don't do for loop. Now then you this one would take too long. You will have to do this. You have to do A greater than B. Okay, and A greater than C. This one return A, and then otherwise C greater than A. Then this one return C. Okay, this one return A. Or A less than equals B. Then B greater than C, you return B. Otherwise, C greater than B, you return C. You need to do that for using this if. That's okay, but that's too long. That's really too long. This is 3 number. You would actually do this. You would actually do integer m equal max of nums 0 and nums balance -1. Okay, and then return as the max. A compared with B, creating the maximum number M, compared with C, you got a champion. It's okay. This is single elimination format. You play tennis, you play taekwondo, it's actually all in this single elimination format.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Liana, any question?
No.
No, that's it for today. Okay. Good night then. Bye bye.